Oh my god. I can't even. It's me.
What's up?
I can't believe you spray painted the white in the center of my beard.
My name is Alex, and
Where the
I
fuck am
fuck
I?
bitches. And on top of that, all the ladies love me. I like wearing eyeliner to make myself look a little bit more mysterious, and I'm a dive bartender. On top of that, I love my cat, Mako, a lot. I like being private and mysterious for the ladies. I deny as a man. I don't fuck any of you. It almost has the same size of his nose, so like it looks really good sideways.
What's the difference?
I know.
Who's the real Alex Dallian? Oh my
I'm
god.
too nice to everybody at Harry's Banana Farm. I'm the only person that can't say no unless I really have to.
Called the fuck out.